Welcome to Machine Learning with Amit. In this video, I will explain about top 7 libraries used for machine learning. NumPy. NumPy is widely used Python library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. It can be used to perform various mathematical operations. Data analyst and scientist relies on this library to analyze data. Some of NumPy features are shape manipulation, data cleaning, data manipulation, and statistical and algebraic operations. Pandas. Pandas is data analysis library to analyze and manipulate data. This library offers analysts to work with structured multidimensional data and time series data. Some of the features of Pandas are data analysis and manipulation, joining datasets, indexing data, and so on. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is another Python library used for visualization. It is free and open-source Python library used to create static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Some of the main features of Matplotlib: create publication quality plots, customize visual style and layout, export to various file formats, interactive figures that can zoom, pan, and update. SciPy. SciPy is an open-source Python library that is especially used for large datasets, helps to perform scientific and technical computing. SciPy also comes with embedded modules for array optimization and linear algebra. It is also used for image manipulation and provides basic processing features for high-level, non-scientific mathematical functions. Some of the main features of SciPy: user-friendly, data visualization and manipulation, scientific and technical analysis, computes large data sets. Scikit-Learn. Scikit-Learn is a standalone Python library on GitHub. It is most useful for classical machine learning algorithms such as those for spam detection, image recognition, prediction making, and customer segmentation. Scikit-Learn provides user-friendly and easy interaction that makes it easy for users to share and use datasets. Main features of Scikit-Learn: pre-processing of data, data classification and modeling, end-to-end machine learning algorithms, model selection. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is Python library that consists of a collection of tools and resources that enables machine learning engineers to construct machine learning and deep learning models, as well as neural networks. The Python library is often used to implement reinforcement learning. TensorFlow consists of an architecture and framework that are flexible, enabling it to run on various computational platforms like CPU and GPU. Here are some of the main features of TensorFlow. Flexible architecture and framework. Runs on a variety of computational platforms. Abstraction capabilities. Manages deep neural networks. Keras. Keras is a high-level deep learning API that allows to build, train, evaluate, and execute all sorts of neural networks. Keras was developed by François Challet as a part of a research project.
It is capable of running on top of Theano and TensorFlow, which means it can train neural networks with little code.
Here are some of the main features of Keras: data pooling, developing neural layers, builds deep learning and machine learning models, activation and cost functions. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment on video. Stay tuned for more.